coasters are boring.
We're here to fix that.
We're now introducing Captain America, the ride.
Woo! Kinetic energy is energy that an object has due to its motion. On a roller coaster, the kinetic energy is the highest when the car accelerates down the hill. The kinetic energy is lowest at the end of the roller coaster when the car is brought to a complete stop. Potential energy is energy that is stored and waiting to be used for later. The potential energy is at its highest point when the roller coaster is at rest and waiting to drop. The potential energy is the lowest when the car is in full acceleration. There is positive acceleration in the loops of our roller coasters when the car is going its fastest. There's negative acceleration or deceleration when the car is towards the end and coming to a stop. Newton's first law of motion states an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This is represented in our roller coaster because in the beginning the coaster was at a complete stop, but then gravity took over and put it into motion. Newton's second law of motion is force equals mass times acceleration. This is represented in our roller coaster when we multiply the mass of the car by the acceleration that the car is going to get the force applied. Newton's third law of motion is for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. At the end of the ride, the car comes to a complete stop after it hits stopper. The two forces applied to the roller coaster are rolling friction and air resistance. Rolling friction is applied when the car's wheels are rolling against the track. And air resistance is applied near the end of the roller coaster when there's a jump. The total time it takes to complete Captain America the ride is 2.05 seconds. 3. The length of our track is 1.702 meters. 3. The average velocity of our car on our roller coaster is 0.83 meters per second downwards. The average acceleration at one point in our ride is 0.4 meters per second squared. The gravitational potential energy at the beginning of the ride is 0.0042 joules. The force at one location on our roller coaster is 0.00028 newtons. The kinetic energy at one point in our roller coaster is 0.00025 joules. We hope you enjoyed Captain America the ride. With our crazy jumps, insane loops, and steep drops, this ride is sure to give anyone a thrill. We hope you decide to build Captain America the ride at your Six Flags. Thank you for watching. Potential energy is energy that is stored in Potential energy is energy that is stored and waiting for people. Should I say it? Okay. We heard that your roller coasters are boring. We're here to fix it. Ow! Sorry. I'm talking to you. You're putting the videos. Okay. We heard your roller coasters are boring. We're here to fix that. Shut up. Roller coaster when the car is brought to a complete. There is positive acceleration. Damn it. This is represented in our No. And air resistance is applied when the